We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the pesos. We get the pesos. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. It's been a while. Welcome back. If you are new here, hi. If you are old subby, how y'all doing? If you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and the bell to make sure you get notified every time I post or upload. Today's video is going to be about why I am actually getting my nipple piercing removed after 3 months already. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, I suggest that you watch my previous video about my nipple piercing experience and about how long I've had my nipples pierced and just the whole experience that I've been through with having my nipples pierced. Okay, so my right nipple, I got my right nipple re-pierced in July. It was my sister's birthday and she got her belly button pierced. I got my nipple re-pierced, and the reason why this was me actually getting it re-pierced. The reason for me getting it re-pierced is because my nipple was not taking well to the jewelry or the piercing. It just was not, my body was rejecting the piercing. Like overall, my body was just rejecting the piercing. So I did not want to prolong any type of, I didn't want to risk any type of effect like losing a nipple or something. Like it's really not that serious. So for about 2 years, I want to say, maybe almost 3 years, I just had one nipple pierced. So I figured that, maybe after, that time, my body would actually, accept the piercing. But unfortunately, the same thing happened. My body basically rejected the piercing again, and I'm just gonna get it taken out. So tomorrow I'm actually going to the piercing or tattoo parlor to get them to remove the piercing again. Now this could happen to anybody. Like, it's not something specifically that I've done wrong or the piercing that's done wrong. It just happens. So if you are like looking to get your nipples pierced, or if it's intriguing to you that you want this piercing done to your body, be sure to take that into consideration, that your body could reject the piercing and you could just be that one nipple pierced person. Like, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Like, your body could reject the piercing, and it's just something that's, that's part of the process. It's part of the process. Yeah. So I'm looking down at my monitor. That's like, to me, that's like one of the biggest cons, because who just wants one nipple? Like, everybody wants both of their nipples pierced, but it just sometimes, sometimes you don't get it like that. So I am just gonna go back to just having one nipple pierced, and my left nipple has been, it's healed perfectly fine. I have never had any problems with my left nipple. It's always been my right nipple because of my body like actually rejecting the piercing. So it's just kind of like, win some, you lose some. I'd rather have just one nipple piercing than 2 nipple piercings and one being rejected and looking all nasty and gross. It's not cute. So just wanted to put that out there for you guys. I noticed that my original nipple piercing video has gotten a lot of views, and it's a topic that is, I guess, trending. But I just want to inform you guys as much as possible on what to expect when getting your nipples pierced. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope that this was helpful to you guys. If you are thinking about getting your nipples pierced, if you've gotten your nipples pierced, if your body rejected the piercing, leave something down in the comment box below, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.